This episode of Hellman's Quick Kitchen Tips, I'm going to teach you how to slice and dice an onion. Now we have our cute tail end as well as our fugly end. We're going to cut the cute tail end off, which will give us a really nice flat base as long as the onion doesn't roll away when we start. Now we're going to cut it down the middle, tuck your fingers, and use a sharp knife. Dull knives will cut off your finger. Also peel off the skin. Alright, now we're going to cut just 2 cuts for now, so about 1/4 inch. We're going to stick our hand really flat and push down hard so we don't cut ourselves. We're going to make those 2 nice cuts. As you can see, you don't cut all the way through. You leave that little ugly end to hold it all together. That's really important. Now we're going to do about 1/4 inch cuts down vertically as well. Now I'm not going to lie, I've cut 1,000 or 2 onions in my life, probably a lot more than that, but this camera angle is super fucking tough to cut, so I hope you appreciate the view. Now we're going to have a bunch of little columns, it looks like, which are going to be perfect for our actual dice, which we're just going to turn the other direction. We're going to tuck our fingers and we're going to dice. Simple as that. Now you have your 1/4 inch dice. Obviously, if you need a smaller dice, you just cut everything smaller along the way. The next step, we're going to place down the half onion to do our slice. This is a pretty simple slice method, good for salads or whatever your fancy is, right? Slide them off. This is about the same cut, about 1/4 inch. Same thing, if you want them thicker or thinner, just cut to your own preference. Alright, this next cut of the sliced onion, we're going to cut the fugly part off as well as the cute part, so we're missing both parts, nothing holding it together, and we're going to slice it down the way I'm showing you. As you notice, this side of the onion cutting method is going to stick together a lot more. Perfect for pickling onions or whatever else your fancy is, right? Experiment, see what works best, taste the onion, see how the cut changes it.